Hey there, welcome back to your place for smarter, safer, happier drone flying. Today we're going to answer a very common question. What is the best drone for me? We'll go over the pros and cons of toy drones, GPS drones, and FPV drones, so that you can decide which one fits your skill level, flying goals, and budget. This is a beginner's guide to help you get started. So let's dive in. We'll be looking at these three main categories: toy drones, GPS drones, and FPV drones. But before we get started, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our drone family so you can be notified when we release new videos. Also, feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below, and we will do our best to answer them in this video. Now let's get started. So what's the best drone for you? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. Are you trying to capture smooth aerial footage of your travels? Do you want to race like a pro? Or are you just looking for some fun indoor entertainment? Let's look at each type of drone and find out which one might be right for you. Let's start with toy drones. These drones are small, lightweight, and affordable, making them perfect for beginners or kids just wanting to have some fun. Toy drones typically don't have GPS or advanced autopilot features, so they require a bit more skill to operate. However, they're a great way to learn the basics of drone flying and can provide hours of entertainment. Some popular toy drones include the Holy Stone HS-170, the Rise Tello, and the Potensic A80W. These drones are typically priced under $100 and are a great option for those looking for a low-cost, easy-to-use drone. Next up are GPS drones. Unlike toy drones, GPS drones use satellite navigation to stay in the air for longer periods of time and provide users with more control over their flight path. GPS drones can perform actions automatically, such as taking off and landing with the press of a button. They also have features like return to home in case the drone gets lost and obstacle avoidance to prevent crashes. GPS drones are generally more expensive than toy drones, but are still relatively affordable with models available for under $500. The Autel EVO Nano and the DJI Mini 3 are two popular choices in this category. These drones are ideal for beginners looking for a hassle-free flying experience. Finally, let's talk about FPV drones. FPV stands for first-person view, and that's exactly what you get with these drones. FPV drones allow you to see the world from the drone's point of view through a live video feed on goggles or a monitor. FPV drones are typically more expensive than GPS drones and require a higher level of skill to fly. They can reach high speeds and perform impressive aerial maneuvers, but they are also more prone to crashes. That being said, if you're looking for an adrenaline rush, then FPV drones are definitely worth checking out. Some popular FPV-capable drones include the Autel EVO 2 Pro with FPV module and the Skydio 2 with custom FPV mods, offering both high-performance flying and advanced camera capabilities. These drones range in price from $500 to $1,500 and are perfect for experienced flyers looking for the ultimate in drone performance. Now that you know the basics of each type of drone, let's compare them side by side to see which one might be right for you. Price is always a major factor to consider when choosing a drone. Toy drones are the most affordable option, ranging from $20 to $100. GPS drones are more expensive, typically costing between $250 and $500. While FPV drones are the most pricey, often ranging from $500 to over $1,000. The best drone for you will depend on your budget and how much you are willing to spend on a drone. Skill level is another important consideration. Toy drones are relatively easy to fly, making them a good choice for beginners or children. GPS drones are also easy to fly and offer features such as automatic takeoff and landing and return-to-home functionality. FPV drones, on the other hand, require more skill and experience to fly. They offer greater maneuverability and control, but also come with a steeper learning curve. The camera quality is an essential aspect to consider. Toy drones typically don't have cameras or have poor image quality. GPS drones, on the other hand, offer decent to good camera quality, allowing you to capture aerial footage and photos. FPV drones may or may not have cameras depending on the model, but the image quality can vary greatly. Safety is another important factor to keep in mind. Toy drones are generally safe to fly indoors or in open areas away from people. GPS drones have safety features, such as obstacle avoidance and return to home, making them safer to fly outdoors. FPV drones can be dangerous if not flown by an experienced pilot due to their speed and agility. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look at some real-world examples of how each type of drone can be used. Toy drones are great for indoor flying or for children who are interested in drones. Their affordability and ease of use make them a good option for those who want to try drone flying without investing a lot of money. GPS drones are ideal for beginners or those looking for a drone for recreational use. Their stability and safety features make them a great choice for capturing aerial footage or following a subject. FPV drones are designed for experienced flyers who want to take their drone flying to the next level. Their speed and maneuverability allow for exciting aerial tricks and races, but they are not suitable for beginners. I hope this has helped you narrow down your options. Remember that the best drone for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Now let's get to the main points. So you've watched our previous videos and researched your favorite drones. Now what? First, let's consider the purpose of your drone. Will you be using it for aerial photography or videography? Are you interested in racing or just having fun? Answering these questions will help you narrow down your choices. Next, think about your budget. Drones can range in price from a few hundred to several $1,000s. Determine how much you're willing to spend before you start shopping. Consider the cost of the drone, any additional accessories like extra batteries and propellers, and any potential repair costs. Once you've considered your budget and purpose, it's time to do some research. Read reviews from other drone users, watch video reviews, and compare prices from different retailers. Look for drones with features that meet your needs and stay within your budget. Don't be afraid to ask for help from friends or family who have experience with drones. Another tip is to start with a smaller, less expensive drone if you're a beginner. This will allow you to learn the basics of drone flying without investing a lot of money up front. As you become more experienced, you can upgrade to a more advanced model. Last but not least, don't forget to practice in a safe area away from people and objects. This will help you get comfortable with the drone's controls and prevent any accidents or damage. Join a drone flying club or group to meet other enthusiasts and get tips from more experienced pilots. Following these steps will help you find the best drone for your needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, it's important to do your research and choose a drone that meets your specific requirements. So now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which drone you're most excited about and why. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more drone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy flying.